camera.
Camera fell.
You're a camera.
Yeah,
Wow.
I'm not good. Rocking the gaps.
I won't show my teeth, which don't exist, but we'll go.
This is Ron.
Hi, Ron here.
And you're gonna see a series of clips of different things that include Ron. As what today was the Ron clip of the day, which are very insightful. Actually, they're pretty fucked up. They're pretty fucked up.
After a couple of martinis, after working at a motel, from both of us work from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. We're called vampires.
Yes, we are night auditors.
Yes. Well, yo mama, night auditor, whichever figure works. Anyway, we are night auditors. We're kind of birds of a feather. We flock together or something like that. Then I'll learn how to. This is one of my favorite songs. Why is a female vocalist singing this to break away? I ran away from home about 10 years ago. You know what? I can't run away from home anymore. Hell, I could. I think she thinks I'm her father or grandfather, so I gotta play it really cool here. Damn it! Take a wish, take a chance, and bring away. Kelly Clarkson, you're my baby. Anyway, continue. Yes, we are good friends. We work together at a motel.
Can't you think I'm like looking at myself all the time? I'm like, oh,
well,
camera, maybe it works.
I would play with my hair, but not as long as. Well, let me just. Oh, is this better? Are we having fun today? This is
Let's
great.
see.
Anyway, that's
couple
my.
of these and
that's
we're
my
kind of
drink.
sauce.
Devin, drink your own.
And wait, but mine's way over there.
Well,
you talk to the camera.
Hi.
For another
30
10 seconds.
Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7. She's getting her drink.
Where'd it go?
Yeah. Oh, it's right here. She is so drunk. She does not know where her booze is located. So, we are good friends. We worked at a motel in a town which I will not discuss for many years. And now she's working in another place, but we're still night auditors. So basically, we're vampire and vampire rock. So you know what can I tell you?
Yeah, now you know what books I like.
Yeah. She introduced me to a lot of stuff which I already liked, but I never did it, like True Blood, which I fell in love with and bought the disc for. So we sat here and got grew up. Well, never happened. We sat here and we kind of looked at the thing and we're having a good time. She is what I call my wild thing. She just turned the volume down. Wild thing.
I'm his Doma.
No, she's my Doma and I'm her homie and she's my Domi. Is that right?
Domi.
Dummy, not Dummy, Domi. Domi.
Domi.
She occasionally cooks for me and I give her booze. That kind of works.
I gotta make sure he eats right.
And I gotta make sure she drinks right.
Yeah, that's true.
And that's kind of where we're at. So after a couple of martinis or whatever, I have a few opinions. I'm over 20. She's about 25, 3, 4.
You wish. We don't talk about ages on this.
All right, we don't talk about ages, but you
No Botox.
But you
bitches.
can 2.5
No
times
Botox.
her, and you'll get close to me. That's all I'm gonna say. But the fun.
I don't know if I should be like totally fucking mad at that, or if I should be.
Yes, love it to death.
I'm like, I don't know.
Kelly
what does that
Clarkson.
mean?
It just means. Kelly Clarkson just ended.
So
well,
my time is up.
My time is up, but I will see you if you're interested in other things because
rate, comment, subscribe because this character right here, he's a fucking character.
Yeah.
And I think
that's a compliment coming from my dear friend here.
I think a lot of people will love him. So.
Click. Goodbye. Woo. Let me get my drink. Wait a minute. Then we'll shut it off. Not that this is Coca-Cola colored lightly.
Yeah.
And it's the light. Fuck it.
This
is
just
booze.
like it too.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Turn us off before we get in trouble.
Love you guys.
Yeah. Bye.
Cheers.